What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023/24 Honda CRV, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder. There are two ways of doing it in this car. You can do it with the cluster and you can do it with the radio. I'm going to show you both. So we're going to start with the cluster here. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press this home button you have here. And at the cluster, we are looking for maintenance, okay? You're going to use this wheel button and scroll through till you get to maintenance. All right. As soon as you get to maintenance, you're going to press enter, which is the wheel button, press it in. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the wheel button for 10 seconds. Okay, right now it shows you oil life. Just keep holding it about 10 seconds. The menu will change. All right, so here is your reset. All right, so you're going to scroll through. Now you can do just B, or you can do all items due. We're just going to do the items that are due today, okay? Hit enter. It says reset complete. All right, so mine was already at 100% when we started, but it will reset yours to 100%. Now what you can do, you can also just go to the radio. All right, and at the radio, you can go and scroll over. You're going to go to vehicle settings. And then you're going to scroll over again. Right here to maintenance information, and right here you're going to select reset items, and we're just going to do all items due and reset, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.